This boho nightstand has been one of the best finds that I have found since moving into my new house. Right here, I just use it next to my chair, which is where I work from. And this little nightstand is so cute. I love that it's neutral, but it has the little woven design up here, which gives it a little bit of uniqueness and just a little bit of character, which is really nice. And then this drawer is super messy, but I just keep all my pens and pencils and chargers and Kindle in here. Super spacious, which I love. And then it shuts very nicely. It also comes in a 2-pack, so the other one is next to my bed. I love this one. I also love the finish. It's super easy to wipe off, to dust, all of that. And I do use a coaster just to be safe, but I don't think water would ruin it because it is finished so well. So I'd highly recommend these nightstands. They're super cute and the perfect addition to your room.